Imagine a world where machines learn from our data, make decisions on our behalf, and even tell us why they did it. Sounds like a sci-fi dream, right? Well, it's closer than you think. In the world of artificial intelligence, there's a growing demand for transparency. Enter Explainable AI, also known as XAI. It's all about making AI systems that are not only smart, but also understandable and trustworthy. You see, many AI systems today work like black boxes. We put in some information, we get a result out, but we don't really know how the system arrived at that result. And that's a big problem. For example, say an AI system is used to decide whether or not to approve a loan application. If the system denies a loan, the person applying for the loan has no way of knowing why. Is it because of their credit score, their income, or some other factor? Without transparency, it's impossible to know. And that lack of transparency can lead to all sorts of problems. People may not trust the AI system. They may not agree with its decision, or they may not understand it. But with XAI, we can open up that black box and see how the system works. We can see the data it uses, the rules it follows, and the reasoning behind its decisions. So, what exactly is XAI? Well, it's a field of research that aims to make AI systems more transparent, interpretable, and understandable to humans. It's a way of making AI systems that not only work well, but also explain why they work well. Now, the idea behind XAI is simple, but the execution is complex. There are all sorts of technical challenges involved in creating an AI system that is both accurate and transparent. But the potential benefits are huge. For example, in healthcare, XAI could help doctors better understand the reasoning behind an AI's diagnosis, leading to better treatment plans. In finance, XAI could help detect fraudulent transactions by providing clear explanations for why a transaction was flagged. And in manufacturing, XAI could help identify defects by explaining the reasons behind a product's failure. The possibilities are really endless. Of course, there are also challenges. For example, how do we make sure that the explanations provided by an AI system are actually correct? How do we make sure that they're not biased or unfair? These are all important questions that researchers are working to answer. But the potential benefits of XAI are just too great to ignore. As AI systems become more and more powerful, we need to ensure that they are not only smart, but also transparent and fair. Explainable AI is one step towards that goal. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of XAI? What are your thoughts on AI transparency? Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI explained. Thanks for watching.